Baby, you're back! Wow! Hello, sorry baby. Pagkata na mo. Miss. Morning fam, we're so late. Meron kami pickleball today with the family. Galing ako kagabi sa Coronadal pa. So yes? Okay. Good morning. Ano mo kaya?
Bitin tulog.
Bitin ba? How about that little one? Aviana. Beautiful outfit, my love.
My iPad is in the bag.
Your what?
My iPad is in the bag.
It's in the bag? What should we do?
She has toys.
She has toys?
Look.
Yeah. Hinimas yung mukha. Nabitin yung tulog eh. May favorite siyang book ngayon yan, hindi niya. Laging gumagano. Yan o.
Mommy, I'm gonna bring my phone. Mommy, where is
Ang sarap pag-akita umiiyak minsan, alam mo yan. Yan o. The power ng isang ina. Sana. Sige, come on.
Last night you caught my eye, so far from my own mind. I've been thinking about you all night. Can't get you off my mind. I'm out on deep water. It's too late. I've crossed the border. I'm bitten hard by Cupid, babe. Hurry, I need to be safe. Hurry with all the cliché. Sunny days, you and me. We'll keep out of the rain. Try me on any direction, I'll follow you.
Okay. Ganda pa. Yung court pa naman dito yung maganda. Yung parang magaspang. So, she's sweaty. So, gas-gas yung tuhod. Yeah, hindi ko naman nakita na dapat. I know, I'm sorry baby. We're back home. Yun naman, may bagsak. Ayun. Sarap na gano'n dapat na parang ito yung mga times kaya na pinag-usapan namin ni Bianca sa car. Dapat every morning, meron siyang activity. Talagang meron siyang ginagawa kasi like, sa bahay lang, alam mo yung she runs it. Tumatakbo-takbo lang siya. Tapos color dito, color doon. Pero si Ava kasi sa type ng kid na talagang sobrang daming energy na kailangan itakbo talaga. Actually, lahat naman ng bata. Sarap mag-pickleball. Alam mo kasi, pickleball is a sport na mabilis yung progress mo pag nagsisimula ka. Konting turo lang and konting laro ng mga drills. Pwede na kayo mag-full game. Unlike other sports like basketball, you have to know how to dribble bago mo siya malaro. And like also tennis, you have to know the basic. Yung papalo lang kayo from end to end bago kayo makapag-rally. So, you see, pickleball kasi mabilis. So, mag-enjoy kayo agad talaga. Sarap pa magpapaus. Try mo. Bango naman yan, babe.
Hibachi steak.
Steak?
Yeah.
Morning, fam. Big day today. Late na naman as usual, but you know naman dads are just chill. Kasi naayos lang naman natin yung mga sarili natin. Yung mga gamit natin. Ano na tayo bang iisipin? Ano mo yun? Pupunta tayo sa Batangas. Bisitahin natin si Daddy kasi birthday ni Daddy ngayon. So funny, alam mo ni-request niya? Actually yun, yung box na yun, Hanford yun. Kasi sa mga lalaki, di ba, parang sobrang rare nga naman mamili ng yung mga times na bibili ka lang yung mga basic. So sabi ko sa kanya, Dad, this time I'm gonna give you some sexy and juicy stuff talaga ng underwear. Not only that, I got him also tees, I got him mga supporters Kasi he's running eh. Tumatakbo na siya ngayon. Nagpapaka-healthy talaga ngayon si Daddy. Who's gonna give you a bath? Who's gonna give you a bath? Hindi ako sinasagot mo. Wala naman ako magawa. Talo naman ako kasi babae. Wala tayong magawa. Who is gonna give you a bath? Ano tayo sinasagot? You're not even looking at me? Aviana. Aviana. Aba, side eye? Are you not gonna make me pansin? Oh, you're not making Daddy pansin, huh? Are you not gonna make me pansin? Oh, ba? Are you not gonna make me pansin? Ba? So, this is what I'm saying. Nakapajama pa pero nag-aayos na ng gamit. See? So busy naman! You're packing so much things for who? So busy! That's for Ava and Amara?
Of course!
How about you? Did you pack na?
No. Why? Why?
Wala.
Are you rushing me?
No. How could I? I just told the vlog kanina kasi na sarap ng buhay. Because all I need to do is to pack for myself. And that's what dads do. Yeah, boy. Oh, sige, ako nang bahala kay Ava.
Saan?
I'll give her a bath.
Yeah, here's her clothes.
Hey! Mommy said I'll give you a bath. Come here, you. I have to give you a bath. Come on.
No!
Anong no?
No!
Oh, diba? Show your outfit. Can I see? Oh, turn. Oh, beautiful. Daddy nagdamit niya. Wait, we're not yet done. Is it Awi?
No.
No? Beautiful, my princess. Look at that. Oh! Wait, I have a question. Whose is this? Is this mine? Is it mine? Mamitski will see that and she'll say, "Hey, I gave that to Bim Bim, to my son. Did your daddy give that to you?"
She'll be happy to see you wearing it.
Yeah.
What does it say, Mommy?
She'll be happy
She'll
to
be
see
happy.
you wearing it.
She'll say, "Oh, that's from me. You look so beautiful, love. Who did your hair?"
Mommy.
Mommy. Do you love it when Mommy fixes your hair?
Yes, and you.
And me?
Yes.
When I dry your hair?
Yes.
Does Mommy make you feel beautiful?
Yes.
Do you feel beautiful?
Yes.
What hairstyle is that, Lovey? What do you call that? Yeah? Pigtails?
Daddy, did you hear the tummy again?
Yeah, like that. Is that your tummy?
Yeah.
Are you hungry? No.
Daddy, why
Why?
are you wearing your
Army boots? Cause we're gonna go somewhere. Maaga pa tayo nakarating dito sa place ni Daddy. Hindi pa nagsisimula ang kanyang simple party. Papakita ko sa inyo gano'ng kasimple-simple lang. So cute. Intimate lang tayo ngayon. What are you eating?
I'm eating mango and pizza and tilapia.
Tilapia?
I'm eating tilapia and mango and pizza.
Pizza, mango, tilapia. Is it healthy?
I think
And
so.
mango?
I think so.
I think so. Ito, special eh. Ito naman yung kinakain. Tsaka si Paul. Sa pare. Ito naman yung kinakain niya. Eggs. Strawberries. Blueberries. And steak.
Sad.
Oh, tsaka ito yung t-shirt to. Nakaganon.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, oh.
Deep pockets, man.
Nakita mo yung paano ka kumain ng saging sa last
Oo, man. Nakita ko yan. Sayang nga, wala saging ngayon. Ulitin ko.
Ito yung mahirap eh. Nakarating na kami ng Batangas. Yung nakakalimutan pa namin yung inumin ni Amara, ni Bunso, na kailangan namin ng distilled water. Yan ngayon, maglalakbay tayo. Maglalakad tayo sa kabilang kanto lang. Sa lahat ng napapadaan sa Batangas, anong daan to? Basta di ko alam, nasa Tinggalabak kami. This is the grill. This is the Ichiban Grill. Kay Allen to. So ngayon sarado. Pag napapadaan kayo along the highway siya, ito yung itsura. Diba? Tapos buhay pa ang aming bar. This is the bar, the big red one. Pahinga muna tayo. Maaga pa, mamaya pa naman yung party. Chill muna tayo. Look at this, naman nakakagigil. Sobrang gigil, nakakagigil. Gigil na gigil ako sa batang to, di ko lang bakit. Ang kinang pa ng balat, oh. Fresh skin. Fresh na fresh. Look at that baby. Look at that baby. Tatawag na kami ni Daddy. Ayan na, ang aling mo, talabin. Ayan na! May kukunin tayong lechon. Sabi ni Daddy, pinakamasarap daw sa Batangas. Malalaman natin mamaya. Actually, natikman ko na yung lechon belly eh. Champion yung lechon belly. Ngayon daw magbibigay daw sila ng native. Let's see kung ano. Birthday kasi ni Daddy, so titignan natin kung kamusta. Native, subukan mo. Ano ba sabi mo? Grabe, di ba? Hindi, ngayon ko na natikman yan. Natikman ko kanina yung belly. Yan yung native, yung mismong that one. The thing, the... ano? Romis. Try it out, guys.
Oh my gosh.
You're gonna go up, ready?
Hindi pa.
Get set.
But look what Ava bought. Hold on. Are you happy with your bike?
Yes. Mommy, is this exercising?
Yeah, it is.
Why, are you getting tired?
No.
No? Okay.
You're having fun?
You ready? Up a slope, Lovey. Let's go. Come with me, you're gonna buy food. Can you point? Come on.
Baka na mabakuha ka. Nanarik ka din ito yung campaign.
Game. Ayan.
Ate, hindi tayo kasinain na isda.
Ano? Wala oh. Kata mo, adobo. Kalderetang kambing. Batangas yan. Ano tong ano? Atay, balunan. ma'am. Wala pang ayos. Eh, yung tatlong araw kasi.
We extended and we had no clothes, so we're wearing the same thing.
Nag-extend kami sa araw, Batangas. Hindi ka maalis. Ay, Dad, kumuha akong dalawang buko, ah.
Thank you po.
Ito, daan-daanan na sasanay sa probinsya, eh. Laing. Oh, laing, Dad. You wanna try this? This is so delicious. You don't like it? You don't like it? Why? Di-discount. What happened? Can you go up? It's a bumpy road. Go. Push. Right. 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 Then left. Daddy will give you a little push. So you get that. That's the momentum. There. Whoa. Na-miss. Na-miss. Gigil kasi. Gigil eh. So yung mga binili natin. Kulay naman eh. Sampelot ba to? Adobo. Umba. Sana to? Laing. Tulingan. Ano to? Dulog. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Dulog. Dulong. 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 Grabing tulingan. Sarap, no? Ngayon lang ako nakakain nga nitong tulingan na ito.
Para matikman mo lahat. Kamay mo na, yan. Ito mo, dulong. Ano mo sa kamay, yan. Yan, tikman mo naman yan. Yan ang mga...
Isda, maliit.
Alam mo kung... First time magtayo naman, yan ang special ng Batanggin ko eh.
Ay, saan?
Lalo na kung pipigan mo ng kalamansi yan. Kalamansi ang katapat yan. Wala kang hindi ka matitinik.
Champion yung kambing?
Kasi malambot ang pagkakaluan.
Sakto rin yung anghang.